The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is a flagship Android smartphone from Xiaomi that was launched in China on September 25, 2025. It is notable for its powerful performance, a massive 7,500 mAh battery, a bright dual-screen design, and a Leica camera system. While it has launched in China, a global release is not expected until early 2026. Early global pricing estimates, converted from the starting Chinese retail price, are approximately $840 for the 12GB plus 512GB version. Here are the pros, cons, special features and an overall conclusion of this phone. 4 pros. Massive battery. With a 7,500 mAh battery, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max offers exceptional battery life, with some reviewers suggesting it can last 2 full days on a single charge. The phone also supports 100 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging. Water resistance. The phone has an IP68 rating, capable of withstanding submersion in up to 6 meters of fresh water. Gaming. Paired with an optional, retro handheld console case, the back screen can be used to play select games with physical controls. Dual displays. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max features a 6.9-inch front display and a smaller 2.9-inch LTPO AMOLED screen embedded in the camera module on the back. This rear display shows notifications, music controls, and a live viewfinder for taking selfies with the main cameras. Powerful processor. The device is equipped with the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. Reviewers have found this processor to be highly capable and efficient in early gaming tests, outperforming the A19 Pro chip found in the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Advanced camera system. Triple 50MP setup with a powerful 5x periscope zoom and Leica optics. Durable screen. The phone uses Xiaomi Shield Glass 3.0 for the main display, which is designed to be highly durable. Leica camera system. The main camera setup features a 50MP Light Fusion 950L sensor with an f/1.67 Leica Summilux lens and OIS. The 50MP 5x periscope telephoto lens features a larger 1/2.0-inch sensor and can perform telemacro shots. It also includes a 50MP ultra-wide camera. 4 cons. Limited global availability. Unlikely to see a widespread global or US release, initially released in China. Gimmicky second screen. Debatable while useful for selfies, some functions like mobile gaming on the small screen may be considered a novelty/gimmick. Large and heavy build. Some reviews note that the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max can feel heavy in hand due to its large size and battery. While the 17 Pro Max is only slightly larger than its predecessor, the 17 Pro has a more manageable 6.3-inch screen. Ultra-wide field of view. The ultra-wide lens has a narrower field of view, 17mm equivalent, than some previous models. Telephoto low-light performance. Despite its advanced camera hardware, the telephoto lens may lose some detail in very low-light conditions. Potential battery drain. Some user opinions suggest the rear screen might be a battery-eating feature, although Xiaomi includes a larger battery to compensate for the additional display. Special feature. Dynamic back display. The most distinctive feature is the dynamic back display, a 2.9-inch LTPO AMOLED screen integrated into the rear camera module. Its primary uses are: high-quality selfies. Acts as a viewfinder for taking selfies with the superior main and telephoto rear cameras. Notifications and widgets. Displays the time, notifications, customizable watch faces, virtual pets, and dynamic information when the phone is face down. Unique interactions. Supports features like custom sticky notes, music controls, and even custom game controller functionality with a special case. Overall conclusion. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is a true Max flagship, focusing on extreme specifications and bold innovation. Its 7,500 mAh battery is industry-leading, making it a battery life champion, even with the power-hungry Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and a large, high-resolution main display. The dynamic back display is a key differentiator, moving beyond a simple notification window to offer practical value, especially for photography enthusiasts wanting to use the powerful rear cameras for selfies. Combined with a capable triple 50MP camera system, premium build, and ultra-fast charging, the 17 Pro Max delivers a comprehensive and high-performance user experience. The main drawback is its limited availability outside of China. For those who can acquire it, the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is an extremely ambitious and powerful device that sets a new standard for battery life and hardware innovation in the flagship segment.